So, do you want to do a proper drag? Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2. I reckon I could get on 4.2 minimum.
We're going to break this guy, you know.
Hi guys, welcome back to 𝗵𝗏 Performance. My name's Darren Evans and today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the RaceBox.Pro. Now if you haven't already heard of this particular device, it's much similar to various other options that are on the market, but in our opinion it's far better. It's a really modern and efficient way of measuring various different bits of information about your vehicle, including 0 to 100 times, quarter miles, and you can also set it for various circuits around the UK and around the world indeed. So at some point we're going to get into unboxing this, but I'm going to give you just a little bit more information about RaceBox themselves. RaceBox uses the latest GPS technology to be 99.5% accurate, which means that you're going to get amazingly accurate, stunning lap results. That's as long as you can get on power, on track. Almost no other device on the market is as accurate as the RaceBox, and almost no other device that you can buy on the market that does the same as this, and remember the same, so many different functions for anywhere near the price of this RaceBox. And with our code, which we'll have a link in the description down below for, you can save yourself a whopping 10% on this particular item. Delivery is awesome. We actually agreed with RaceBox to do this promotion, and thanks to RaceBox for providing it to us. They did give it us for free of charge, just for full disclosure. We actually received this item the very next day. So thanks guys at RaceBox for doing that for us. So RaceBox is a truly standalone device. Everything you need is inside the box. You don't need any other bits. All the suction cups and mounts are inside here. So let's get into it in true Peter Lindgren style, get this thing unboxed and see what we think firsthand. So that's the box open. What's actually in here? A quick start guide. Well, we're all males, so that can go here. We've got 2 stickers. If you're using this in a track car, in just one car, then why not put the RaceBox on the stickers to advertise the product that you're using. Now, the unit itself is quite small. It's light, feels good quality. On the rear of it, we've got the locations for the attachments. So we've got a suction mount for the windscreen. Now obviously, as you can see, once that's on the windscreen, the power cable would be quite difficult to get in there. So they've actually thought about that and they've made the connection right angle. But not only have they done that, and I'm going to put this down quickly, they've actually made the adapter magnetic. So you can leave that in your RaceBox, take this adapter out, and when you're ready to go, it's as simple as connecting it via a magnet. The last bit of the puzzle is obviously the GPS device. Now this screws easily into the back of the RaceBox. So that's it. All you really need to take out of the vehicle, should you have to remove it, is that. You can leave the power cable in, and each time you get in and out, you're set and ready to go easily. So let's get this thing out on the road rather than being sat here and get it tested. There was always going to be something I forgot to mention, and that's the fact that this has actually got a battery inside it that will last up to 8 hours. So if you have forgotten the cable, then don't worry about it. As long as this box is charged up, you're good to go.
Yeah, talking. Slow.
Clutch is slipping.
4.75 seconds.
Clutch is slipping.
Yesterday,
yeah.
4.32.
There's just no way.
I reckon I could get below that.
Ow!
I do reckon I could. Let me ever go backwards.
I'm gonna go backwards.
So we're back out in the Mk3. Daz thinks he can do better.
I didn't say that. You lot said.
Oh, it's slower.
We're just lighting up, though.
4.6. Not that much slower, but
I didn't say I could do faster. Whatever happens.
I reckon I could get on 4.2 minimum.
Right. We're gonna break this guy, you know.
It's new a new clutch anyhow, so.
We're not gonna get below that full link, whatever you did yesterday. Not a chance.
I bet you I could.
No, it's just not happening, is it?
I bet you.
It's lighting the wheels up, so how are you going to get any more traction
How much are you going to put a bet on?
How are you going to get any more traction from? It just lit the wheels up. What we do? Where are we getting the extra power from?
It's not the power, it's the gear change, I reckon.
What you saying? You were changing earlier, are you? So you wanted me to change earlier?
No, not changing earlier.
What then? You can either be earlier or later. Those are the two options, Lee. Or are you saying that I'm too slow on the gear change?
I reckon you being 40 today, mate. I just reckon your reaction time, every part of it's just too slow.
Lee is calling me slow. Man, this is the most embarrassing day of my life. If you're saying that I'm slow. Breakfast on what? We don't need to eat any more food.
True, but that's been Fat Friday. We have had XXL pizzas all round.
Launch control. Right. This is it.
You need to get on here 0 to 30 under 1.5 seconds to be quick. Ooh, 438. You beat it that time, but that's still been our quickest of the day, so.
It's just too damp under the tyres, and the tyres just aren't good enough for it, I'm telling you now. Was it red before the 0 to 30, was it?
No, it was slower.
Yeah, so it was red, so we did the 0 to 30 slower,
but you changed
overall,
gear quicker, which just gave you that quicker time to 60.
But in fairness, overall, it doesn't really matter what time we get. This kit's just fucking awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it doesn't really matter what time we get out of this car. It's only a bit of fun. It doesn't matter what we don't do or don't do out of this particular car. It's irrelevant. It's just demoing what it'll do. And at the end of the day, it's well, it's just if you didn't do anything else but 0 to 60 runs in a car, that'd be fun enough. Never mind doing quarter miles and stuff.
Keep going, I'll tell you where to start from.
Yeah, no, I'm not. I'm just letting that car get ahead of us, Lee. What do you want me to do, 0 to 60 into someone's bumper?
Yeah. If you're like me, you'd be quicker to that car and be able to brake as well.
I think you get more boring every video. It's either that or it's just spending too much time with you. I'm just glad I don't, like Amy must, I don't even know, Amy, you deserve a medal if you're watching this. Jesus Christ, if it's not his ass, it's his mouth. I don't know which one, like, is worse.
I'll tell you where, no. A little bit further forward.
What, into the flipping main road, yeah?
There.
Oh, yeah.
I'm telling you now, this will be quicker.
Okay, mate. Right, if we don't get rammed at the arse end, yeah?
You've got to be quick enough, haven't you?
Mate, it's just slipping and lighting up the clutch. Didn't you feel it then?
Yeah, it's just your dodgy driving, you change too quick.
Now I'm changing too quick!
Yeah.
Jesus Christ! Advice from racing driver Lee here.
So, do you want to do a proper drag?
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Seconds quarter mile.
That's not bad. Considering launch control wasn't.
I wasn't on.
Oh, you're breaking things. 13.22 quarter mile. I think with launch control on, because your 60 foot was 2.6 seconds then.
But that was a load of fun. I mean, without launch control on, doing a 13.2 second quarter mile was pretty phenomenal. Probably can't. But that private airstrip back there is fucking amazing.
Yeah. Evo GT, if you want to hire our airstrip out,
Yeah.
leave us a comment.
£500 a day, mate.
And you may be able to pay for our bill.
Yeah.
Well, your bill for us.
Don't worry, lads. Honestly, at some point you'll get used to Lee talking gibberish. What he means is, don't worry, at some point you might see the bill. That's what he meant to say, but he turned it into Lee. Why are you doing it at that camera? It's not even weird. That's the camera you're meant to be looking at. You set him up.
Chucking money out, mate. Chucking money out here and everywhere.
Amy, watching this, Lee's feeling flush. Flush down the toilet.
Amy knows I'm not flush.
Amy says you need flushing down the toilet. That's what you should have been. Flush down the toilet.
Yeah.
Anyway, 13.22 on a private airstrip. That's pretty good. What? With no launch control on
Should we try on this airstrip? And to be fair, your reaction time was a minus 0.79. Did somebody cheat?
I didn't.
You didn't go and go.
I did.
You fucking. How'd you get minus then?
It doesn't matter. It's still got the green on there. It's taking it off it.
The camera never lies.
I know, but it's taking it off it.
That's a red line. That would be a no-show at Santa Pod.
No, that's not how it works.
Definitely does, mate.
Anyway, it would have been under 14 seconds. Who gives a shit?
Yeah. I reckon if you were in the car, I could get that into the 12s.
And for anyone who didn't know, Lee's an expert at everything. He was once, honestly, a NASA qualified astronaut, weren't you, Lee?
Yeah.
In his short, how many years of age are you now, Lee?
I'd sir.
How old are you now?
33 next month.
So in his 33 short years, he's held many positions, mainly upside down
Neil
on his
Armstrong.
Head. Yeah, yeah. So when Neil Armstrong landed on the moon,
I told him where to put his foot.
Yeah. Yeah. Did you supply him the flag as well?
No, it would have been a Welsh flag.
Right. Okay. I was just checking, mate.
But to be fair, you could be classed as American, because they're all fat as well.
But that's it for this little episode of using that race box. We're going to do some more, but we didn't want to bore you all in one video and get other cars and do it. We wanted to leave a little bit of content for you to look forward to. So keep watching the channel and we'll get back to you with some more bits, because we've only just scratched the surface of what that race box will do. We were so excited to get it out the other day that we just threw something together and put it out for you. Hopefully you enjoy it. It was a bit of fun. We enjoyed making it. I'm sure Lee'll sometime in the very near future prove that he can get that thing under 4 seconds, because he can, clearly. So if you haven't already, then please consider subscribing to the channel if you're new. Hit that bell icon to stay notified, and give this video a thumbs up just so that we can get some more views out of this, because at the moment our views are in the bin, like 𝗿𝗏𝐺T's were the other day. But guys, stay tuned and stay safe.